Hello. It has been a while. Welcome, Classified and Book to the stream, and thank you, Jax, for summoning again. Your fifth of your 6 months. You said originally. Thank you. Welcome, Farquad, as well. Just getting a stream template set up. Not the stream template, the tablet set up. It's been a while since I streamed. Well, I say it's been a while. I streamed like 1 or 2 weeks ago. But I didn't have all the borders and everything because I hadn't set them all up yet. Now I have. So as you can see, we've got a new intro. Eventually I want to put music on this, but I just didn't have time because I spent like literally about half an hour building it because it took like 3 attempts to get the bar right. And then obviously the main stream has stuff as well. I don't know what's going to happen with Twitch.py. As far as I'm kind of aware, Max started developing Twitch.py because TwitchIO seemed to be dead. So I don't know what's happening with that. But if we switch to the stream, hello, it is me. Oh no, no, let's move that out of the way. There we go. So yeah, I'm in my my home actual home. Hey Aiden, and hey Jax as well. Welcome to the stream, both of you. Yeah, we got the webcam back, we got the borders back. There we go. I'm looking at the wrong preview, that's why everything's looking odd. There we go. So, alright, one thing I do want to test. Hang on. I changed the volume, or I changed how the alerts worked ever so slightly. So I want you to tell me if they're a good volume, because I can't hear them anymore, because OBS is controlling the audio separately. So how does this sound? Is that a good volume? 3 times my teeth and 3 times the fun. Yeah, pretty much. How's that volume? Show fox for 1,000. Oh, I'm in a different place. Okay, I can show you some of the foxes that are here in my home. So this is, God, I forget the names of them all. I think this one's Amber. There you go. Are you a present? Oh, which one? I forget which ones of them were presents and which ones of them weren't. That's Amber. One of the, it's like TY toys. That brand. You know that one. I'm just thinking of which. I've got to turn some of the things off because I don't have any grapes. I don't have any water either. Yeah, I don't really have any water nearby. That's annoying. I guess they'll just kind of stack for the time being. Because if I go to get water, it's gonna take like literally like 3 or 4 minutes. So in today's stream we are welcome to TwitchIO. I think I mentioned that. Great, yeah, I've got to get grapes as well. The grapes and the hydrates will stack. So keep a count of how many grapes I have to eat, and then about maybe half an hour in or something, I'll go get them. I just don't want to like go away for like another few minutes just after the stream started. So they will stack up. Everyone eating grapes, and then I'll get some grapes. And some water. Yeah, it is very cheap. The grape is 100, I think hydrate's 300 or something. So it'd be, I guess, others? Yeah, it's supposed to be others. Oh, okay. And then we're going to make a new one called Streambot. And then we're going to do cd streambot. And then we're going to do Python 3.9 -mvem.venv. Also, if you can hear outside, do let me know. I've got the windows open because obviously it's still kind of warm in the UK. And also, if the stream dies randomly, then my home internet is just playing up. I don't think I'm going to get through a 3-hour stream on this internet because it does just kind of, it's quite good in terms of speed. Like it can handle 1080p 60 perfectly fine, but it just kind of crashes randomly, and it seems to do that more here than anywhere else. So that's annoying, but you know, whatever. So pip install TwitchIO. It's 2.0.5 now. So wait, if I just go back to Wave. Oh yeah, hello. I completely forgot about that. Why is that 1,000? I might have to turn that one down. I tried to price them kind of based on how inconvenient they were for me. So the fox one, obviously, I've got to get up and go find a fox, and it takes a bit of time. The grape obviously doesn't take that long at all. But the wave, I don't know why that's 1K. I'll have to reduce that. Oh no, I'll tell you what the wave was. I completely forgot to do it. The wave was I switched to a scene where I am full screen and then wave. I haven't set that up. I didn't set that up. So I guess Farquad, next stream remind me. Before next stream, actually, I'll do the scene, and then next stream remind me, and I'll do that one for free for you. Because I literally set all the scenes up about 2 hours ago, and I completely forgot that was a thing. So sorry about that. So we got, I think, no, it would be others. It would be tutorials TwitchBot, and then I had to do VA and then pip list. Right. Pip. Oh, I don't actually know what. Okay, pip install Twitch IO double equals blah, and then it will tell you. There we go. It gives you a list of versions. Yeah, so we were probably on like 1.1 or 1.2 or something before. I don't remember actually. But now we're on 2.0.5. So obviously there are a few things that have changed. So I was actually alerted to this by someone in my YouTube comments. They said on one of the stream VODs that now that TwitchIO 2 has come out, then you're gonna need to change a lot of this. I'm like, what? TwitchIO 2 came out? What the hell? I didn't even realize the project was still alive. To be honest, I thought it had died. So what did I just call? I called it StreamBot, didn't I? Yeah. So I guess we go into the code and then we start doing stuff. So we are gonna have to actually what we can do. Pip install this. Don't show that again. And then this is already coming really useful. There we go. So now we have some boilerplate. So we have the stream bot there. Sure, that can stay like that. Although that really does. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go back and kind of change that a little bit. Actually, I don't know. No, it'd be fine. It'd be fine. It runs. I haven't heard of. Well, I heard of Snick because you said it in a channel, but I've never heard of it previously. Just go up the brightness on my TV so I can actually see what's going on. Apparently buggy and missing features because it's still a beta. Well, we're going to find out, aren't we? But yeah, we now have our editor config. We have a full-on git ignore. We have our license, which actually we need to change to Carberra tutorials. Because this is a Carberra product. That's the point. I might have to add profiles to new sex. I don't know. And we got the dev. We don't need requirements dev actually. I'm not entirely sure why I put that in there. Oh no, I know why I put it in there. It's fine. So you have TwitchIO greater than or equal to 2. Okay. TwitchIO will be buggy and lacking some features, and you'll run into problems here and there. This is the nature of beta software. Do I know any British blonde girls with heterochromia eyes speak in French and play violin? I know a blonde girl that is also British. I have no idea what heterochromia eyes are. She doesn't speak French and she doesn't play violin. So we've got 25% of the way there with that one. Yeah, greater than or equal to 2, that's fine. Oh, different coloured eyes. Oh, right. Yeah, no, she doesn't have that. So you got one of the 4 there. I have no idea. Good meme though. So we have the version there as well. That should that be 0. That should be 0.1.0. Why is that set to 0.0.0? Can we figure one that fits? Okay, sure. Why not? Debian home parafoxia.config nusex. Why? Oh, I haven't run the init since I changed that. Well, that'll be why. Let me just change that manually. Okay, cool. Free vulnerability check. It checks your dependencies and checks whether or not the versions of those dependencies have known exploits. Oh, cool. Tells you what version you need to avoid them. Well, that'd be useful for analytics. Not so useful for nusex, because that doesn't have any dependencies. And I'm going to try and keep it that way. But yeah, this is the project. This is the thing I put in CodeShare. This is the project templater I built. That also needs to be 1.0 to be honest, because that's what we're doing. So yeah, if you like the look of it, then feel free to give it a download and give it a try. Call it Carberra. Yeah, that's fair. I'll keep it in mind though. Stuff in mouse over chat and then it pauses, so annoying. What do you mean? A programming job and Snick found a potential exploit. Oh, interesting. Good for you getting a job, by the way. Carberra Twitch. Actually, shall we call it? Actually, I don't know if we should call it something else. I think it's already whatever. It's fine. We'll just leave it the name it is. It is. Well done, brain. Thank you. Do appreciate that. Let's go find the actual bot that we had before and see what's broken / different, because something is going to be very broken, isn't it? Actually, if I go to my, I think it's pinned on my standard ones. It is. Maybe that works. I'll just use poetry. I see. Okay. So this bot. So this file structure will probably be fine. So we have our bot. We have our DB. No, we don't want it. We want that in here. And then I guess we want data in there as well. Sure, why not? We have data in there too. Also ignore PyCache. It ignores PYC files by default. So I guess I probably, I don't know. I'm not sure it's necessary to have the ignore to look for PyCache as well if it's already looking for PYC files. But it doesn't template any of that stuff in, so don't worry about that. And then in data we have build.sql. And then in here we need to do, okay, so create table if not exists economy. So we're going to have the same, it's going to do roughly the same things as the current bot, but you know, obviously it's going to be slightly different. It's going to be built in TwitchIO too. So we've got user ID, so that's going to be in integer, and that's going to also be the primary key, and that's not going to auto increment. We've got credits integer default. Well, I suppose it depends whether people want. Would people want a currency system considering we've got the channel points already? I don't know if people would even still want that. Yes, okay, fair enough. Actually, I could do. Why do I could just do a poll. I keep damn forgetting that the polls exist. So, okay, generally speaking, it's yes, but I'll put it a poll anyway, just to be sure. Keep bot economy. Yes. Oops. No. And then that will just work. There we go. Stockpile. And I won't like look away and miss it this time. So this is a numeric default current timestamp. And then we're going to insert into the economy user ID, credits, lock, values 0, 0, and null. I can see your messages, yes. Channel points you can't steal. That's very true. I want to exploit it again. Yeah, that's also very true. You want to find all the bugs that break it. Is the poll still going? Oh, okay, yes, it's currently winning. That's fine. I thought it would have ended by now. Okay, so we're going to have the same thing with the bank. Okay. Keep the bot economy. Cool. But its user ID would be 0 rather than just bank. So now you can't pretend to be the bank. Because I think there was an exploit in it where you could, if you had a username bank, then you could just become the bank. And whenever anyone lost any credits, you would get them. But then you'd also have them still stolen away from you whenever anyone did a heist. Which is a good meme, but not ideal for what we want to do. So I guess we'll do the DB stuff first. See, that's pretty much going to be the same. Unless has someone kind of, why have I called it that? Okay. db.py. No, oh my god, why can't I not type? Also, why did the marketplace have files available for those? That file type. Has anyone got like a better database object? I'm not sure if anyone's actually like thought of a better way to do this. Because I'd be interested to see if people like kind of had a better class that they'd used async PG. I don't really want to. There's no point. I'm the only person that's going to be using it. So SQLite would be perfectly fine. But like, to be able to implement into bot whatever game you want. Welcome Plush Master, by the way. Sorry I didn't welcome you before. Yeah, I can implement whatever. I'm building it from scratch, so. And we also need to import AO SQLite and AP Scheduler. 0.17. Okay, neither of those libraries have been updated since I last used them. That makes things easy. SQLite greater than or equal to, I'll just say greater than or equal to 0.17. And then AP Scheduler greater than or equal to 3.7. From what I can tell, it actually needs to be greater than or equal to 3.7, otherwise it just won't install properly. I don't know why that is. It might be a different version, but yeah, some weird stuff. Is make the DB commit on a close function so I can reduce the chance of lost data. I think I already do that. Yeah, well, I already do that in this one anyway. Whether or not I did that in a different one is beyond me. But so actually, what I will do, I'll use pathlib from it because pathlib is really good. So I do like pathlib. Although I learned recently that os.walk is actually faster than pathlib.glob. Who'd have thunk it? I was actually kind of a bit surprised, and I thought about it for like half a second. I thought, oh yeah, that's actually kind of correct. Tutorial, it was just closing, no committing on the close. Oh, okay. I must have updated it later on then, because I know Carberra and Solaris both commit on close. So I must have just not done it. Mind you, to be fair, Carberra and Solaris use a massively updated version of that original system. So the bot we pass the bot in. So from TwitchIO, import bot. Am I going to get away with that? Apparently I am. Okay, that works. Interesting. Really? That works? I'm a bit surprised at that, actually. Bot. TwitchIO ext. Okay, so apparently it shouldn't. It's like the ext import commands and it's commands to. I'm just gonna go with that. I think, unless they have actually like done that. I don't know. Yeah, I've like honestly over the course of why are you complaining? Okay, I have no idea why you're complaining. Over the course of especially like working with Carberra and that, my coding style especially has improved massively. Like I've learned more since, or like in the first few months since since Carberra started getting big, than I did in like the 5 or 4 years previously to that. Like legit, I'm not even kidding. It's just been mad. Equals bot. Self.db. Actually, we'll leave that because I think only this needs it. So we'll do as constants up here. DB path equals. Actually, we'll just have like in the init, in this init here, we'll have a data path equals what am I? Oh, this actually needs pathlib then, doesn't it? From pathlib import path, and then data path equals I can't think. Why could I suddenly not able to think? Carberra / data. Yeah. And then from Carberra import data. I think I'm just getting used to streaming again because it's been a while since I've had to talk and do stuff. Welcome Unicorn to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. How long have we been going? 26 minutes. Oh, I've got to get the grapes in that soon. So if you have the DB path equals data path divided by database.db, you know, I've actually kind of switched to using SQLite 3 as the thing just so the git ignores a bit happier. And we got another grape and a hydrate. Okay, those will go on the stack. I think it's only the one hydrate I've had, but I think that's the second or third grape, something like that. And then the build path equals data path build.sql. One hydrate and 2 grapes. Okay. Welcome. Oh my goodness. Parzival. Welcome, Eugene. I'll just take the last bit of your name because I can actually pronounce that bit. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. So this literally just takes bot, I think. Oh, it would help if I hit the right buttons. There we go. And then bot.scheduler dot add job. Self.commit cron trigger second equals 0. There we go. Yeah, I got one more until 200. Just kind of nuts. It'll probably happen off stream because for some reason I get all my followers off stream. I really have no idea why. Doesn't make any sense. Okay. So async def connect. There we go. Self.connection equals await AIO SQLite.connect. It'll be DB path. Yeah, if you are enjoying the stream, by the way, if you are enjoying the stream, make sure to follow. I'm one away from 200. So. Yeah, the face cam is slightly smaller than it was. Hey, thanks for the follow, Eugene. The 200th follow. You'll be remembered for the rest of time. Next thingy is... Sorry, next goal. 2 250/300/whatever. Genuinely cannot talk today. I have no idea why. Absolutely no idea why. What am I doing? There we go. Oh wait, self .cxn.commit. To be fair, do I need a commit? It's kind of a thing. Is this even like a worthwhile function to have? Because the close, it does the commit and then the close. But this, it just does the commit. Yeah, I just got confused. But yeah, the webcam is 5 pixels less tall now. But it is proper 16:9 ratio, which it wasn't before. So, what can you do? Actually, we will have self.commit because this isn't going to register CXN by the time it loads. You could probably put that somewhere else, but another hydrate. Cool. I'm gonna have to chug by the time I actually get this. You know, I'll finish off this file. And then I will go and get the water and the grapes and stuff necessary for the goals. Or not the goals, for the rewards. And actually type hint everything, since we're doing like type hinting on this. Keeping it healthy. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Self.cxn.commits and then await self.cxn.close. And then async def. Oh, and then I've got all this crap. I might just be able to get away with copy pasting this. That works. Just make sure that's all okay. Yeah, that all looks fine. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, cool. Right. In that case, I will go and get my drunk. I'll put it on the stream intro again, but I will have a BRV, just kind of put that on top for now. So that triggers.cron, no, it's just like a cron trigger. So basically with this, every 0th second of the minute will so every 0th second of the minute it will commit this. So basically in, what is it, like in 30 seconds it'll run this. So basically on second 0. Think about PyCharm. It's alright if you know how to use Python. If you're new to it, it sucks. And we've had a lot of support cases with it. Right, I'm going to BRB while I get my stuff, the water and the grapes for the rewards. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to put some ads on. There you go. See you in a bit. I have returned. Yeah, I use Visual Studio Code. It has a lot of plugins and a lot of like really good default support for all sorts of stuff. Right now, yeah, this intro, I will have a proper BRB screen next time I do a stream. For now, it's just that. Yeah, if we go back to the actual stream, there we go. Hello. I have my water. I have a point of water. So how many hydrates was it? I think it was 2 hydrates and 3 grapes. I returned fast. Yeah, I did. I returned faster than I thought I was going to. Swag just doesn't play ads. You put it in commercial break, it just doesn't play ads. It's so annoying. So, double hydrate. I'll do both in one go. There we go. That's a double hydrate. Welcome Max to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. You hadn't had. Biggery. And now grapes. 1. You I'm at home. Yeah, I moved out like He's not working. I moved out I think like about 10 days ago of my uni place. And going back there on the 6th of September, it feels so weird. Yeah. Okay. So much juice. These grapes. So that is are these the only files we need? Oh, we needed an init. Where did the now made go? Oh. That was weird. And then, is it 4 grapes? What? This is the 3rd. Yeah, some of JetBrains stuff is really good apparently. Like the C# one, I think it's like lion or sea lion. Apparently that's really good. I've never used PyCharm personally, but I just know like I had 2 grapes. 1 water, 1 grape. Yeah, there were 3, and I've done the 3 now. And I've also lost a follower in the process. Fantastic. If you're enjoying the stream, make sure to follow and get me to 200. Oh, I'm gonna lose even more if you keep making me eat grapes. Alright, okay. I have to build this damn bot before we lose any more followers. So, we have our bot init. Init.py. From that about import byte. Yeah, I can have the excitement of hitting 200 all over again. Bot.py. Take a swig. Take a swig. Oh god. This is gonna be a disaster. I'm gonna die. Open source projects gave me full license for the products. Oh wow, really? Well, if you make open source projects, JetBrains just gives you stuff for free. That's kind of mad. Okay, so this is the big one now. So class bot commands.bot, and then you have obviously the def init, self none, self.cogs equals t.list, because my Py's going to complain to me otherwise. Speaking of which, I actually need to install my Py. Pip install my Poi. How temporary is the code theme change? Until the end of the stream, or until I decide that I can't program it anymore if I don't like it. Price for a sub in my country have dropped to RS 110. For they were 520. Whoa, what the hell? That's mad. Alright, so we've got a code theme change. Oh my god! Oh no! Visual Studio Code. Oh, I already have it installed. Oh no. It doesn't even want to install it to WSL. Oh, this is gonna be. Oh! Ah! I can't even see most of the things. Holy mother of God, dude. Ow! You can't even see most of the words. Oh no. Oh, it's even worse on the other monitor. Oh my god. It is glorious. Unfortunately, it's complete. I'm going to try and complete the rest of this line in this theme, and then we're going to switch it back, I think. I don't even know where I am. So p.step. I can't see what I'm typing at all. For p in path. Oh, I can see the for and in. Dot slash carb. Okay, I can see the actual thing at least. Bot slash cogs. Dot glob. I think I typed that in right. Star dot pi. Okay, and now we're going to change it back. Actually, am I even going to be able to change it back? Oh no. Oh no. I can't even change it back because I can't see anything. No. Oh no. Oh, this is a disaster. This is an absolute disaster. Oh no. Generate color theme. For icon, change folder theme. Oh, color theme. There we go. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my word. Apparently it was a thing in Windows 3.1 according to a link on the extension page. Really? What, like an actual theme you could select? That's mad. I'll go into Windows 11 when I get a computer that supports it. I'm pretty sure my laptop doesn't have the TPM version necessary for it. So that's a big rip. Twitch.io no, it's not. It's TwitchIO extensions import commands, and from pathlib import path. So I was thinking the other day, like I have this change code theme, like, you know, people. One day someone is going to suggest like an awful one. I thought, is there any awful ones actually on the store? Turns out, yes, there is. Actually, also, we could just do that now, can't we? Is it Python 3.9? Can we not do that? Why is it not letting us do that? Generic class cannot be assigned. Oh, because it's on the syntax, right? Anyway, I've got to actually install MyPy. And that's already did. Okay, I already did. My words. Goodness gracious. That was insane. Okay, what do you mean what? Steam. Oh. Funnily enough, I couldn't see what I was typing, so I messed up. Scheduler or scheduler. Do people say scheduler or scheduler? Because I say scheduler, and in my opinion, any normal person says scheduler. I learned Python. Originally, school. and then I just self-taught for a while, and then basically. But I got I did the basics at school, and then after that I just kind of experimented with it, and yeah, here we are today. I've been doing it for like what 6 years now, or something like that. If you do it, I'll sub to next stream. Do what? Oh, would you like to take my challenge and code this stream on terminal using Vim? I can probably do that. Like the whole stream. So I don't know any of the Vim shortcuts. It's probably going to be quite embarrassing. Schedulers.asyncio. The whole thing, God. I already got that one in there. Oh no, I import TwitchIO as well. I don't even know if I have. I don't even know if I have Vim installed. Vim. No, I don't. have V installed, but not Vim. Yeah, I can't be asked that. I will take my sanity over money. Thank you very much. One day I might do a stream where I like try and learn Vim. But right now, no. Or I can use Nano, just code in terminal. All right. Used Nano before. So it'd be what? Nano Carberra bot.py. There you go. Whoa, hello. Oh, it's the line. Why is the line numbers 8? Is there a way to like fix that? I really hope there's a way of fixing that. Ah, screw this crap. I'll just do it in VSC. Alright, see you later, Zesty. Thanks for stopping by. Database, self. Oh, Pits isn't installed, or PyTZ, I suppose. Oh, the type stubs. Oh. Thing is, it gives you warnings about this, but it doesn't actually, like, when you try and fix it, it doesn't work. Install types. Oh, this, okay, this one's actually going to work now. There we go. It didn't do that for, thingy. Reached 111 tabs in Notepad++. My words. That's insane. Oh yeah, I've got to do the config, and then from carberra.db import database, and then we actually need to put a config in there. So the config will just be pretty much the same as the other. Oh, I've also got to put a main in there actually. Do I have any of that stuff? I have an init. I don't have a main, and I don't have a thingy. A main, and then config.py. So to be honest, I don't think I really need a main. And then, oh yeah, we need pip install python .env. There you go. And yeah, that's fine. Cool. Actually, to be fair, I could probably, because this is, yeah, we don't need to use, oh, we do need to use typing for that though. Oh, that's the only one. Okay, never mind. Right, okay, then that's sorted. The main is pretty much just the same as the, well, I think it is literally the same as that. Let me go back to this and it'll be fine. Fantasimo. Oh, doing all the wrong things right now. But there we go. Come on, you can find it now. Oh, why can't you find it? Oh, because in the init I've got to do from .config import import config, and it's probably going to complain about a circular import. If it does, I'll change it. Oh, config could not be resolved. Is it from .config? It's .config. Okay, that's not confusing at all. Actually, to be fair, I think it has to be like that. Yeah. So yeah, and then we do super.init, and then we have IRC token equals config.irc token, API token equals config.api token, client ID equals, oops, yeah, tab 9 is starting to get the picture now of what I'm trying to do. They are all the same length. That is extremely, I genuinely never noticed that. Client secret equals, yep, prefix equals config.prefix, nick equals config.nick, and then initial channels equals config.initial channels. There you go. Okay. So now we actually need a .env. Do we actually have a .env in the other one? Tutorials, TwitchBot, ls or la would be .env. I don't have a .env. That's very annoying. Okay, fine. We'll make one. So I just don't really remember how it's structured. It's been a while because it's the same .env system that we use for Carberra, but I don't remember the structure for it. I'm pretty sure it's just like token. Oh, it'd be IRC token string equals, and then work with that. API token string equals that. Oops. Show requirements.txt. I don't think I've put the requirements, all the requirements in. Oh no, I have. There you go. TwitchIO sync SQLite and AP scheduler. Don't know if there's another one, but you know, whatever. Why is it still complaining at me? Hello? Cover does no attribute config. But it's here. It can resolve it. Why are you still complaining? Does it have to be this? Carberra.config. You're still complaining. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is as well. Okay, I'm going to go into the init and see what I've done wrong, because I've clearly done something incorrect. From .config import config. Oh, I put it in the wrong file. That's what's caused that. Yeah, from .config import config. There we go, and then save that. It should. Hey, there we go. And then bot, and then bot.py. So we have our client's ID. I'm pretty sure that's a string as well. Client secret prefix is gonna be that. Nick, I'm pretty sure this is the name of the bot. So, Carberra. Initial channels. I think this is a list. Or it's just, no, it's a set, isn't it? Equals, and then, is it that? Do we do it like that? And then Carberra tutorials, I think that's how the config works. I'm gonna have to go into my Twitch devs console to actually get all the information back out. Twitch developers home. Log in with Twitch. I want to log out, and I want to. That's a dangerous move when you're streaming. I'll log into Carberra's one because Carberra's one with a bot against it. Also, I just realized Carberra has a really old. It has a really old profile picture. Wow, that's from like literally a year ago. Applications. Okay, so it'd be client ID. And I'm gonna have to move this off the screen for the time being. Client secret. I've got to get a new secret to be able to regenerate it. Client secret goes in there, and then I need the IRC token and the API token, which I don't quite remember how to get. That's actually a good point. I might have to actually like query TwitchIO docs. We'll go with the quick start, and we'll see what they say about it. Is it token generator? Okay. Oh goodness, I'm here to get a bot chat token. Yes, this is all very new. I'm not a robot. I've got a spinning kappa. Why? TTG. What? Can I use the client secret or client ID that you provide? Oh, right. I see. So I need to pass in the client secret and the client ID to it. It is still... I'm doing the right screen, aren't I? Yes. Okay, good. Generated tokens. Twitch account cover access token. These are like all wrong. What? Here, oh goodness. V5, alright. Add scope, chat read, chat edit, yes. For moderation actions, yeah, we want to do that. Get a list of all the subscribers to the channel and check if the user subscribed. Sure. View and send whisper messages. I don't think we need. Okay. Manage the user object. Read. Oh god. Use bits information. Sure. Analytics data for games. Edit your channel's broadcast configuration. Sure. Visit your view your broadcasting configuration. View your whisper, send whispers, view channels moderation data, including monitor, sure. Channel custom, sure. Run commercials. No, we'll leave that off for now. I'm tempted to just give it everything. You know. Edit your follows. What the hell? Okay, that's very odd. We'll just go through the list and we'll just see. Stream key, my goodness. Hype train data, we're not going to need that. Broadcasting configuration. Wait, why is there edit and then manage? Why are they separate things? On a channel. What? Edit your channels. Okay, I literally no idea. Do a list of users with the editor role for a channel. Manage your channel's videos, including deleting videos. View the block list of a user. Manage the block list of a user. Get details of your subscription to a channel. View a list of channels a user follows. Manage the channel's polls. Points predictions. I have no idea how to set preds up, to be honest. View a channel view. Sure. Okay. So now we've done that. Now what do I do? If you'd like to invalidate it, you want to rotate, you can use individual tokens here. Access token to be replaced. Oh, generate token, there we go. That is like not at all obvious. You're about to leave Twitch. Yeah, sure. It just sent me to what? Authorize. Trust. So it's okay. So it says you're about to leave Twitch, and then it takes me to Twitch, to my actual channel. But it doesn't then regenerate a token. Generation data not found on server. What are you talking about? Invalid authorization code. I have no idea. I can't even show you what's going on because I've got my client secret on there. Failed to authenticate. Twitch return error message, invalid authorization code. But it's... Something is like... Okay, what I'm going to do... Reset all. And I'm going to have just read and edit the chat. Chat, read and edit. Request token. Generate token. Authorize. And then it just sends me to Twitch. What am I doing wrong? And then it just can't. I come back and it just says an authentication error. Am I using the right thing? I'm going to request a token to from a Twitch user via a link. Share a link with this. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of like this as a redirect URL, and I'm going to try and generate a token again and see if it's... No, it just takes me to the same place. Generate token, authorize, leave Twitch. Alright, it's just taking him to the other token generator now. That's fine. What is going on? Okay, client ID. Put that in there. Scopes. List of available scopes. I want to be able to... Page not found. Oh my god. Just do it. Just give me a damn token. Okay, auto. Is this... So which token is this for? Is this for the API or the IRC? So this says OAuth. Okay, hang on. Generate Twitch IRC token. So this is literally ridiculous. Connect. Following password to log into chat. Oh, okay. Alright, I think I've got it. I think we have it now. My god. Alright, Python -m Carberra. IRC token is not a valid key in config. Oh, fantastic. Did I do it wrong? Yes, I did. I got the... I got all the equals signs the wrong way around. So that needs to be a colon. And then... this needs to be an equals. And then that needs to be an equals. Nick is not a valid thing. Oh, because I messed it up. Initial channels is not a valid key in config. What? Oh, why? Oh, because it doesn't have any of that. Initial channels is still not valid. Oh my god. Now I'm trying to get the configurator to work. Initial channels. Yeah, that's the same. Equals set of... so just thought, actually, I think you don't need any of this. Whoops. It's still saying initial channels is not valid. Max, you still here? If so, if I get rid of that for a second. What am I doing wrong with the initial channels? Yeah, well, I've got rid of all those now. I did have those before, and I got rid of them. I'm not really sure. It just says invalid initial channel is not valid key in config. If I go to the config, do e.strip for e in x.split. Actually, this needs to be a .strip. So it splits it by the comma. I don't know. Do I have to have a comma? I might have to have a comma. IRC token is not a key in config. Oh, right. Okay, that actually fixed it, apparently. Oh, wait, maybe it didn't. I need to put all the stuff back and check it. And no, that didn't fix it. Oh, God. How did you get the IRC token? With great difficulty. It's like... I have no idea. As far as I can tell, this is the link to get the RC token, but I couldn't tell you for sure. The result, yeah, the resolve key. It just does the resolve of the value. The thing is, we've done this so much. Hang on, I was gonna see if I can find Carberra's one. Because Carberra does have one, and I'm pretty sure I have it. Carberetta LS, that would be LA. I don't have it. Oh my god. Why in the world is this so difficult? It'd be in my DM somewhere. Oh, fucking! I've just accidentally sent a DM to someone. Should be the end file. Okay. Open with. Okay, that was interesting. Right, I'm just gonna set the thing back to the stream intro, so there's like no chance of me accidentally sharing the token for Carberra. Does it go off? No, it gives you an IRC token, I'm pretty sure. To be honest, I have no idea what does what at the moment. Sets. Oh! Ugh. Okay. It needs each individual thing needs a type of its own. Okay. So now, if we re-implant them all back... Oh my god. Really, Windows? All that time I spent... Oh my god, no one saw it. Oh, no, I'm going to have to regenerate it now. Oh. I genuinely cannot believe that. Alright, it's been regenerated. I do all that. I switch the screen, I open the bloody clipboard and it goes, hey. Okay, we're in. It's fine. It doesn't work, but it's not giving us a configure anymore. Oh, this is actually token, not IRC token. Really? Oh, we may have done something. I think we're in. I don't know. It's difficult to tell. Let me try. Oh, hang on. That's just inited. I've got to do the setup as well. Setup, and then the running. Event ready. Okay, let's try this. Database is no object connection. Oh, because I didn't put it in the slots. Oh, you can use Control C to shut it down. dv.py, bot, and then connection. Bot has no attribute initial channels. Okay, yeah, it does work differently already. That's fine. I have no idea yet, Cider. I'm still trying to work it out. Still trying to work out the hell I'm doing. So apparently initial channels isn't set as initial channels. So we've got no. We want the commands.exe. I want. Okay, they've updated their docs though. They look pretty nice now. They look better from client credentials. And that link just doesn't work. Okay, maybe they haven't. Maybe they haven't updated them so much. Client secret initial channels. So then how do you get to it? And you can look at attribute calls, commands, connected. Oh, it's connected channels. Fine, it's fine. Oh my god. Unique constraint failed. Economy.user ID. What? What was it trying to insert into the database? Oh. On conflict, do nothing. There we go. Oh, God, stop it. String object has no attribute name. What? Alright, so yeah, there's quite a lot has been changed. So what is actually self.get channel? Next iter string other name. It just doesn't work. Are you serious? It wait, don't tell me the library literally doesn't work at all. Get channel. Oh my god. You see these links? Don't do anything. Oh, this library's this library's about as good as it was. That's good to know. Okay, I'm just gonna have to like get channel name string, which is what I've passed in. Retrieve a channel from the cache. Returns potentially a TwitchIO channel. So we're passing in. So next, all right. Type next. It's oh, hang on. We want to print it. So it is of type. Come on, there you go. It is of type twitchio.channel.channel. Okay, fine. So we now need to. I guess it'd be channel.name then. .name. No, it'd be .name. Oh my god! Put your online message in event join. Oh, really? I guess that makes sense. Was that even a thing? I'm not sure event join was even a thing before. Event join. So what does this take? This takes a event join. Yeah, it's all going to give me the link that I can't use it. So it takes a channel and a user. Okay, so we have the channel twitch.io.channel, and then a user. So TwitchIO presumably .user. Yeah. And then that returns nothing. And then we have, so await channel.send. Oh, that's far better. Oh no, it's gone wrong. It's gone wrong. Trigger on your own join, but I don't see why it wouldn't. Yeah, why did that happen? So it presumably just started joining like constantly, and I don't know why. Print joining. Hey, thank you Matej Makula for the follow. Check user as a bot. Oh really? Oh, actually, if user.name... Oh, so this is if anyone joins the channel. Join event per person here, I see. Yeah, thank you, Matej, for the follow. You're the 200th follower to the channel. Congratulations. So it'd be config.nick. So if username equals our nickname, in theory, would that work? Seems we're done. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Stream frozen for anyone. It's fine to me. I can check if OBS is holding up. Yeah, OBS is holding up fine. This is the most successful home stream I think I've ever done since we got this new router. Okay, so that works fine. So we could print. I kind of want to print user.name. I want to see what happens when oh, hello. Okay, I have no idea why it bugged out so badly before. Because it seems to only care about unless when someone else joins, then it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so it grabs the list of viewers eventually. I see. There's actually a few that haven't been in the as the commander route. I think there's a lot of bots in here. Okay, cool. So now we know how that works. So we now got it to join, and we now got it to send a message. Huzzah. What other events are there? So there's event command error, event join, event message, event mode, event part, raw data, user notice, ready, token expired, user notice description, user state, cheer motes, clips, get. Oh, that's fetch. So event message. What is event mode? 2.0.0a documentation, despite the fact we're on 2.0.5. Okay. Event call when a mode is received from Twitch. What's a mode? I have no idea what that is. Interesting. Okay. I guess we'll just leave that for now. Called a private message received from Twitch. Okay. So async def event whoops. Message self, and then presumably we're getting a message as a TwitchIO dot message, and then none, and then I guess like print message dot content, and then print message dot author, and then I want to see message dot author dot ID. Something went wrong. None type object has no attribute ID. Okay. Gotta look in docs for the message object now. Hang on. Might as well just do a proper search. These docs actually look quite nice, to be honest. Well, it's dark reader on it. It seems to be working kind of pretty alright. Yeah, message. There we go. Attributes author. Oh, it's presumably not in the cache yet. If message.author. So if the message.author can be identified, then look at that. Otherwise, don't print it. So if I send a message, say test. Okay, there we go. Ah, we do have an ID. A partial chatter. Good grief. So we do have an ID to use for the database. Okay, cool. That works. How did we do that before? Did we have? We've got. Okay, so that's the event ready. That's the get user. We don't really need that. I don't think. Oh, event message. Oh, we did actually have a handle commands thing that we needed to do. Okay. So if message.author.name in config.nick, and we don't actually need the one for restreambot anymore. Return. Otherwise, self.handle commands message. Okay. And then we have a command handler here, which we may or may not need to do again, because we did kind of our own stuff here. I have no idea if the command handler is any different. We had to, presumably we had to split by, I guess that's split by space. And then we have, oh yeah, we had to, oh, this was case sensitivity for commands, wasn't it? Yeah. Is that a thing we can add to the bot? I don't think it is. Prefix, client secret, initial channels. Seemingly, that is not something we can do. Right, okay. So Yeah, that's going to have to be left in. The actual command handling is the same. It's just we have to do the case sensitivity manually, by looks of things. So I do wonder, is the help command already there? It is not. We have to build it ourselves. Okay, that's fine. So where is the thing? I need... Actually, I might as well bring it over here. I need to find the... I presume there's like a help cog? There is. Okay. Can I just nick this entirely and just shove it back in? Is it still prepare? That's the big question. None type has no attribute name. Okay, so we're now got to check. See, you know, if message.author and message, we didn't have to do this before. Why do we have to do this now? Okay, so now if I just bring the chat back up. Oh, never mind. Oh my god. Non-type has no attribute WS. Why is it trying to do it though? Super.handle. Oh. There we go. That'll be why. I did the logic wrong. Okay, so it won't bother trying to process commands unless it has like something to work with. Why in the world was the help not found? Hello? Was it ever loaded? It wasn't. Why? Why wasn't it loaded? Is it not load module anymore? How much of this did they change, man? I know it's the major versions of breaking changes, but like, how much did they change? Load. I'll try load extensions, see if it's there. See if they changed it. No, it's still load module. Yeah, it's still load module. Name string. Method which loads a module and its cogs. Wait, loads a module and its cogs? Wait? I'm not sure what it's trying to call on module now. Or it's trying to call... like... the directory a module, whether it's trying to call the cog or the cog, the file that the cog is in a module. I'm guessing the prepare might be wrong. What does it return? Oh, God's sake. Cog. Cog.event. No, it's still prepare. Bot.add cog. Help bot, yeah. It's still correct. Although we do want to put slots on it now. Because we, you know, slots life. Commands. Yeah, everything I've done should be working fine. It should be loading it. Why is it not loading it? Setup complete. Yeah, it just doesn't do it at all. Okay, it's for cog itself. Presumably this is... oh, this might be wrong. I don't know why they shouldn't be wrong. But it might be. Bot. Carberra bot cogs start pi. Yeah, that's what I've done here. I'm guessing this is just empty then. For whatever reason. No, it can find it. It can find it perfectly fine. That's not empty. So for cog in self.cogs, print cog, then load module, and then something is going wrong in here somewhere. It's just not loading the setup at all. What? Wait, running? Yeah, no, it is doing it because it says running the setup, and then presumably self.cogs at this point in time has now been overwritten by something else. It has. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay, well, modules then. Self.modules, and then we'll call this modules instead. Nope, that's not what I do. Modules. And then for module in self.modules, do the stuff with the module. And then see if that loads. It did not load. Self.modules is seemingly also taken by something else. What the hell? Like, seriously. Oh, now it's not finding it. Oh, because I haven't updated the directory. That would probably explain a lot. Invalid cog. Cogs must derive from commands.cog. What does it derive from? Oh, they have to derive from commands.cog now. So there's a very loud car outside. Oh my god, I think it actually worked. There's like there's like a street race going on out there. Okay, cool. We have a help command. Amazing. That only took 28 years. Although I can't really complain too much because that is sort of the implementation that I wanted them to have in the first place. So that works. Okay, cool. We have stuff that works in ways. Nice. Let's do fun stuff. Fun. Fun. Actually, let's do an admin one next. Because we are going to need that. And then if we just kind of bring that over. Do we need bot? I don't know think. Oh, we need the bot here because we need the commands. Oh, do we have CTX? No, we don't need this in it at all. And, you know, there's no slots. CTX.bot.commands and then help. And that should be fine now. This also doesn't take commands.bot, it takes whatever it is. Carberra.bot.bot. From Carberra.bot import bot, and it takes bot instead. Okay. And then if I've done that in the wrong one. So if I get rid of the admin one and just make sure that still works. Python dash and Carberra. Nice. Fantasimo. Okay, cool. So now we can move on to the other one. So admin.py, god damn it. Admin.py, and then just copy that in. We want just this and then just this. Admin. Okay. And then we want to shut down commands. So what does it do? What does the old one do? The old one does this. I see. So it checks for the owner of the channel. And then, okay, we've got to import like a load of stuff. ctx.author.name does not equal next iter self dot or ctx.bot dot connected channels. Connected channels. I wonder if that's a list. Is that a list now? Did they bother to make that a list? Connected channels. A list. They did bother to make it a list. Amazing. So I don't need all this horse crap anymore. So if the first one equals, so yeah, dot name. Can't shut the bot down. Self.db.close. I'm gonna have to close the windows. Yeah. Neighbours, kids come out to play. Can't have that on the stream. So from Carberra, import config. And then import sys as well, because why not? Okay, cool. See if that works. The admin module has been loaded. It has been loaded. Shut down. Admin object has no attribute channel. Right, I see. Okay. Yeah, but it could just be like ctx.channel, right? Surely that's a thing. Wait, if self dot, I could probably just do ctx.channel as well. If self.author.name is not ctx.channel.name, then do the thing. Admin is no attribute scheduler. Yes. ctx.bot.schedule.shutdown. ctx.bot.db.close. Why does it take two control C calls to shut it down? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, cool. Now I need someone who isn't me to test that and make sure they can't shut it down. Is anyone still around? I'm not actually sure there is. Plus shutdown. Hey, it works. Fantastic. So is there... Okay, this is a big question we had before. Is there a close? Like a bot.close. Client.close, bot.close. There is. Cleanly disconnects from the Twitch. Okay, so we can probably put some of this stuff into there. Is it async? It is an async. Async def close. Self. I just realised I haven't really been type hinting anything properly at all. I think that's fine. Yeah, it's all type hinted. Okay. We can move all this in. So to be await ctx .bot.close, and then ideally be all the same here. So be because we don't have the channel. I haven't installed MyPy. For some reason, it's just not. I don't think MyPy is working properly at the moment because it hasn't been working for a little while. Why? How do I get the channel in here? I guess I just have to set a channel, you know. Unless I just don't have it say anything. Auto lint on. I don't know. I should do. Thank you. I'll work out the nominator. Thank you. A lot of ones and then a 5 is how I'm gonna pronounce that. Oh, that is not how you wanted to be pronounced at all, but it's fine. Thank you for the follow. I do appreciate it. I hope you're enjoying the stream. No, presumably you are, but that's besides the point. So have to do the close, and then so I guess auto lint. How do you turn the auto lint on then? This isn't something I've had to like do. Select enter CSV lint Python enable or disable linting in settings.json. It should just be settings JSON. I guess not. It doesn't look as though I do. What's this one faded out for? Is this one just never used? Unknown configuration setting. I see. Active icon pack. That's weird. Python.lint on save. Okay. Python.lint on Python.linting.lint on save equals true. Okay, if I do, does that? Oh, it does. Okay, I see. So if we save it, it should, I guess, lint for us. I don't know. I guess we'll see. But I don't think it shouts at you if you forget to have a lint, have a type in there. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. All right. What was? Oh, I was in the middle of shutting the bot down, wasn't I? Let's just have this do this for now. I'll probably figure out another thing. I'm not actually working on any projects where I'm doing type hinting at the moment. I have Pylance installed. Static type checking with MyPy. Yeah, Pylance is installed. As you can see here, sys is not accessed by Pylance, so I can probably get rid of that. I don't know how you turn on the static type checking though with the MyPy. It just kind of worked out it used to just work, and now apparently it doesn't. So that's fun. So does this still shut down correctly? Yes, it does. Okay, cool. Actually, we probably don't need a sys exit, to be honest. It'll probably be perfectly fine without one. Oh, actually, oh, this isn't going to be able to shut down at all. Yeah, because we need to call the super.close. I think it's await super.close. It's also super.close. Okay. Well, that works at least. Strict, and then if I launch it and then I do a Control C. Hey, there we go. We kind of fixed the issue. Okay, apparently I didn't copy all. Oh my god. Stub fart. Christ, what are the options for this? Basic. Let's just have it basic. 4, okay. I don't really care about if it can't find stubs and that because there's just a million errors. Argument of type unknown string cannot be assigned to parameters. Initial channels. Okay. Where is this? Config.initial channels, but it's a set. Unknown or string. Oh, it just doesn't have a clue because it's the config. Oh, that's just incredible, isn't it? So I just realised there's all these things which shouldn't be. How in the world do I fix that? Well, what does it expect? Why is it not complaining about any of the others? I'm type list unknown, tuple unknown. It should be a set, alright? Print type config config.initial channels. Yeah, it's a set. Is that what's confusing it? Does it not like that it's a set? Okay, so changing it to a list fixes the problem. Why? That doesn't make any sense. Ignore missing imports. MyPy args. Okay. Let me just throw all that in there. So I presume you had strict like that, didn't you? This is not accessed. What? As it now? It's still complaining about it. It's not updated. Because it can't find like stubs. Oh, it's a pylance problem. Oh, you have it on basic as well. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's a lot better. Split is not a known member of none. Oh, can this unknown? Why is it Why is everything unknown? And I love. Apparently, this isn't always going to be a thing. Are you serious? The content is a string. Okay, Pylance is just not having fun at all right now. I have no idea why. So can I... Okay, type checking mode. This is all Pylance crap, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. Value is not accepted. Oh, that's not my problem. Okay, so it seems to be content any. Any or none. Max split any. Is that like fine then? I don't know. Everything's from MyPy. Okay. Oh. Strict. Ah, okay. What the... Module Carberra does not explicitly export attribute config. Implicit re-export disabled. What? DB, what are you talking about? Class cannot subclass bot has type any. You don't have all equals. You shouldn't have to. That's not a thing you should have to have. You know, I'm just turning all this crap off. Screw all this. Actually not worth it. Okay, so what are we doing? Oh yeah, we're making a shutdown command. Yeah, I might try a different one that isn't MyPy in the future. I don't know, we'll see. Because MyPy is just getting really annoying. Like, because I don't really type hint projects anymore. Like Analytics and NuSex both aren't type hinted. To be fair, that's mainly for Python 3.6 compatibility, and I hate the syntax for the old type hints. The new ones are quite nice, but you can only import them from future from 3.7, and I don't really see that as a viable reason to ditch 3.6 support, especially when 3.6 is still actually supported by Python. It's not for long though. I forget how long it's got left, but I think it's only like a month or two, but you get the point. Okay, so that's done. Alright, I'm not gonna keep the stream off for too much longer. I'm probably gonna go on for about another 10 minutes or so. Something like that. And so we're gonna have, oh god, should we do the fun? Oh, fun. There's so much to the fun. Okay, we're not gonna do the fun right now because that's gonna take forever. We'll do the meta instead. Okay, that works better. Meta.py. And then this is probably a bad idea because I think all my bloody configuration files are still in the paste buffer. So meta, and then do we need anything in the meta? I don't think so. Okay. So for our uptime command, we can we'll just pass that for now. And then we have data equals await ctx.get stream. That's not a thing anymore, is it? That doesn't look as though it's a thing. I've also called it dat and not data. If data is none, then return await ctx.send. This channel is not currently live. Uptime equals dt.datetime.utc now minus dt.datetime from ISO times or from it's from ISO format. Data started at, and then okay. Await ctx.send uptime, and then import date time as dt, sort the imports, load the bot. Okay, something's gone wrong, and it just randomly didn't connect in time. That was good. So it's like it may or may not be able to connect. Fantastic. It seems like kind of pretty much everything in this library at the moment is it may or may not do the thing you expected to do. Yeah, it doesn't have it get streamed. That's just completely changed. All right, fine. Let's go back in here and do context. Context. Actually, I probably want. Not sure it's actually the one we want. We want commands.context specifically. Get user, send property users. Oh, it's just missing the functionality entirely. Yeah, it's just completely missing that functionality. Well, never mind, we're not having an uptime command right now. God, it's nice. What stage is it on? On PyPy, like seriously. TwitchIO. What classifier have they given it? They've given it... They haven't given it one. Okay. So they haven't given it a status classifier, and they haven't put it as an alpha version, despite the fact they had all these alphas and betas. Well, they had a load of betas, and they released it, and it wasn't done. Why did they release it when it wasn't done? Unless it's just not a thing anymore. Is there like a different way to do it? Get stream. Vet stream key. Why? Get chatter. Get redemptions. Get. Is there anything for uptime? Because to me it just kind of feels like they've removed a load of stuff. Wait, is TwitchIO made by the Pythonista people? Did I already know it? Did I already know that? I have no idea. I might try and steal this dock theme though. Yes, interesting. So they made TwitchIO, yeah, same people as Wavelink. What an interesting combination. TwitchIO and Wavelink. Oh my goodness, I've been surprise hugged. Oh, welcome Jax. Welcome back to the stream. I don't think the docks are working right now. Hello? Hello? There we go. That was weird. I'm gonna go to the home page because presumably GitHub, yeah it is. Wait, what? Doc, I got the conf.py. What theme do they have? Version equals 2.0, release equals 2.0.0a, okay. I'm kind of interested because this theme is cool. Karma Sphinx. Huh. Might have a look into that. This is nice. Although it doesn't have a dark mode. This is well, the read the docs doesn't, but Doge built one for it. I might have to try and get him to do this. I might try and do the Karma one maybe, I don't know. Okay, so apparently that's just not gonna happen. Can I do this? Just stream? Are the docs completely broken? Yikes. I think that's a good cue to end. I think, yeah. One day I'll go back to 3-hour streams, but I'm going to stick with 2 hours for now, I think. Maybe just this time I'll have 2 hours, and the rest will be 3. I don't know. I've still got to properly work out this stream schedule while I'm at home because it's very different. I might maybe start like an hour earlier or something. We'll see. But yeah, I've kind of had enough on TwitchIO, so we're going to leave the stream there. Thank you to everyone that stopped by. So that's Jax, that's Farquad, that's Book, that's Cider. We got a few people that followed, Matej, all the ones. It's just what I'm going to refer to you as. You got Eugene, and we had someone else as well. I forget who it was though. Yeah, I'm not sure. Matej, did I reference him? I have no idea. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time where we do something else. I don't really know what. So I'll see you for that.